Hello everyone, welcome to your online music class. In this video, we are going to learn one more variation of the rhythm that we have learned in our previous video. At first, let me demonstrate it to you. 1, 2, here we go. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1. Let me slow it down for you. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1. Let's break it down now. We will play the beats on the bass of our Congo like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. With the first and third beat, we will play the and on the high tone. And with the second and fourth beat, we will play the and on the mid tone. Let's play it together at the slower tempo. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1. Very good. Now let's try this variation with the rhythm. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1. So that's all for the today's lesson, and now I want you to practice this variation on your Congo, or you can practice on your pillow as well. And most important, have fun. Thank you. Bye bye.